Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome back to the maths class. Let's start today's class. First activity. Can you say? Let's see what the children say. Which number divided by 5 gives 4? What do you get when 7 is divided by 1? What is got when 120 is divided by 10? Listen to the first question. Which number divided by 5 gives 4? That means when one number divided by 5 get 4. Here to find the missing number multiplied 5 by 4. 5 into 4 equals, yes, 20. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So children, which number divided by 5 gives 4? Yes, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Children, see another example. Which number divided 6 gives 5? Here to find the missing number multiplied 6 by 5. That is 6 into 5 equals 30. So children, 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Children, listen to the next question. What do you get when 7 is divided by 1? For that, we should find out which number multiplied by 1 to get 7. Children, how many ones make 7? Yes, 7 ones make 7. That is 7 into 1 equals 7. So children, 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. Children, see another example. 9 divided by 1. Children, how many ones make 9? Yes, 9 ones make 9. That is 9 into 1 equal 9. So children, 9 divided by 1 equal 9. Children, from this you should remember one thing. Any number divided by 1 gives the number itself. That is 85 divided by 1 equal 85. 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. Okay, listen to the next question. What is got when 120 is divided by 10? Children, how many zeros are in 10? Yes, 1 0. So, to find the answer, cancel the 0 in the place of ones of both numbers. 12 divided by 1 equals 12. So 120 divided by 10 equals 12. See another example. 300 divided by 10. Here also cancel the 0 in the place of ones of both numbers. That is 30 divided by 1 equal 30. So 300 divided by 10 equal, yes, 30. In the same logic we can say 210 divided by 10 equal, yes, 21. 830 divided by 10 equals, yes, 83. Okay, listen to the next question. How many can be given? I have 100 rupees. Among how many people can I distribute this? If each is to get 20 rupees. How many if each is to get 10 rupees? How many if each is to get 5 rupees? First we need to divide 100 rupees with 20 rupees each. That is 100 divided by 20. Here also we need to cancel the zeros in the place of ones of both numbers. Then we got 10 divided by 2. Children, how many 2's are 10? Yes, 5 2's are 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So 100 divided by 20 equals 5. So 100 rupees can be distributed to 5 people, each getting 20 rupees. Next question. How many people can be given if each is to get 10 rupees? Here we need to divide 100 rupees with 10 rupees each. That is 100 divided by 10. Children, how many 10's are 100? Yes, 10 10's are 100. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So 100 rupees can be distributed to 10 people, each getting 10 rupees. Okay, listen to the next question. How many people can be given if each is to get 5 rupees? Here we need to divide 100 rupees with 5 rupees each. That is 100 divided by 5. We already found out 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. You know 100 divided by 5 equal to, yes, 20. So 100 rupees can be distributed to 20 people, each getting 5 rupees. See the next question. Making connections. Find the connections between the parts of the same color. See, parts of the same color are opposite to each other. Let's check one pair. First pair are 24 divided by 4 and 24 divided by 6. You know 6 fours are 24. So 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Here also 4 6 are 24. So 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Listen children, here the multiplication facts relating to both them are same. That is 6 into 4 is equal to 24 and 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Let's check another pair. 15 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 5. Children, you know 5 3's make are 15. So 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Similarly, 3 5's are 15. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Here also the multiplication facts relating to both them are same. That is 5 into 3 equals 15 and 3 into 5 equal 15. From this, you should understand one thing. The number parts of the same color gives the same multiplication. You should check the remaining pairs and write their multiplication facts in your textbook. Okay. See the next activity. To get 4. See this table. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So we can say 4 divided by 1 equals 4. So we can write 4 divided by 1 gives 4. Children, listen to the next step. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So we can write 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Children, listen to the next step. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So we can write 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Okay children, you should find out the remaining and write in your textbook. Okay. Next question. Pencils and friends. There are some pencils in a packet. When 2 each was given to 6 friends, there were no pencils left. How many can be given if each is to get 4 pencils? Okay. Children, how many friends are there in all? Yes, 6 friends. How many pencils are given to each one? Yes, 2. We need to find out number of pencils when 2 each was given to 6 friends. That is, total number of pencils when 2 each was given to 6 friends, which is equal to 6 times 2. That is 6 into 2 equals 12. So children, total number of pencils equals 12. Listen, 12 pencils were given to 6 friends with 2 each. There were no pencils remaining. Children, listen to the questions. How many can be given if each is to get 4 pencils? Here we need to divide 12 pencils with 4 each. That is, if each child is given 4 pencils, number of children getting pencils equal, yes, 12 divided by 4. How many 4s are 12? Yes, 3 4s are 12. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 12 pencils can be given to 3 friends, each getting 4. Listen to the next question. How many sweets? I have some sweets less than 10 in number. When I made them into packets of 2, I had 1 left. I tried packets of 3 and then also 1 was left. How many sweets do I have? Children, which are the numbers less than 10? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here she made the sweets into packets as 2. She had 1 left. See children, which are multiple of 2? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, when we grouped into these numbers, there is no 1 left. Which are the remaining numbers? Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here, 1 cannot be grouped into 2 because 1 is less than 2. When we grouped 3 sweets into 2, 1's left. When we grouped 5 sweets into 2, 1's left. When we grouped 7 sweets into 1, 1 is also left. When we grouped 9 sweets into 2, 1 is also left. Numbers less than 10 which leaves 1 when made into groups of 2 equals, yes, 3, 5, 7 and 9. When she made sweets in packets of 3, then also 1 was left. That is, when 3 sweets are grouped into 3, no one left. When 5 sweets are grouped into 3, 2 sweets are left. When 7 sweets are grouped into 3, 1 is left. When 9 sweets are grouped into 3, no one is left. Here, which number is grouped into 3? 1 is left. Yes, 7. So, children, numbers less than 10 which leaves 1 when made into groups of 3. Yes, 7. See, which number comes in both? Yes, 7. So, number of sweets equals 7. Next activity, gooseberries. I have some gooseberries less than 20. If I split them into 2s, none is left. I can also split them into 3s or 4s, which none is left. How many berries do I have? Children, which are the numbers less than 20? Yes, 1 to 90. If she is split the gooseberries into 2s, 3s or 4s, no one is left. That means number of gooseberries are the common multiple of 2, 3, 4. Children, from this number of which are the multiples of 2? That means which are the numbers comes in the multiplication table of 2? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So children, numbers that can be split into 2 equals, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. See, which number come in the multiplication table of 3? Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So, numbers that can be split into 3 equals, yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 8 and 18. See children, which are the numbers come in the multiplication table of 4? Yes, 4, 8, 12 and 16. So, number that can be split into 4 equals, yes, 4, 8, 12 and 16. See, which number is common? Yes, 12. So, number of gooseberries equal 12. See the next question. When 28 mangoes were equally divided among some persons, each got 4. How many persons were there? Okay. How many mangoes are there in total? Yes, 28 mangoes. So, total number of mangoes equals 28. How many mangoes each got? Yes, 4 mangoes. So, number of mangoes each got equals 4. Here, we need to divide 28 mangoes with 4 each. That is, if each is given 4 mangoes, number of person getting mangoes equals, yes, 28 divided by 4. You know, 7 fours are 28. So, 28 divided by 4 is equal to, yes, 7. How many persons were there? There were 7 persons. You should do this exercise in your textbooks. Okay. Thank you.